Hey guys. So Joe invited me on today because he wanted me to ask him some frequently asked questions. All right. So Joe doesn't know what these questions are. So I'm going to pray that he doesn't say something out of pocket. All right. So we have about 13, 14 questions. Are you ready?
I guess so. Let's go.
All right. So what makes you unique?
What makes me unique is because I am me. I say. What make me unique? Because I know how to love you.
Oh my God. This is not going to go well. We're going to come back to this question. Huh? Are you ready?
I guess I got to be ready.
First question. What makes you unique?
Me? Because I'm black and handsome.
Oh, child. I didn't say what makes you narcissistic. I said what makes you unique. Okay, so what's your greatest fear?
My greatest fear is well, my greatest fear.
Do you have anything that frightens you? Maybe you don't have a fear. What frightens you?
Not really.
To get sick in the bed and be hooked up to machines?
To get sick. Yeah, my greatest fear is to get sick and have people, and to burden people.
Yeah.
That's my greatest fear.
Yeah, I think as you grow older,
Right.
when you're younger, you don't think about those things.
Right.
It's like, oh, my man, daddy gonna take care of me if I get sick, whatever.
That's why I got to stay healthy till I get 105. You know what I mean?
I was saying he's gonna live to be 100, but he said 105. His daddy lived to be 91.
At the computer the other day, and this little lady's 105, and she's trying, celebrating her birthday and all that kind of thing.
And still in her right mind too,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, it can happen. It depends on what we eat, I think, and
That's
if we
true.
exercise,
That's
and if
true.
we let bygones be bygones.
If you
And
don't- I mean, you got to change it. You got to change your eating habit. You just can't eat burger every day and drink a 32 ounce of Coke and all kinds of things. That ain't gonna happen.
what motivates you?
What motivates me? What motivates me is to see.
Do you see how he asked back the question? That's a person who wants to lie.
What motivates me these days is to see how some of my friends, how they doing the YouTube and making a lot of money in YouTube.
Okay, so you want to like do what they're doing?
Yes.
Okay, so that's your motivation. Other YouTubers' success is
Right.
your motivation. What's your greatest weakness?
My greatest weakness. Oh, my greatest weakness is to express myself more. You know, to talk,
Public speaking.
public speaking. Yeah.
It bothers him. It really does. And I think why Joe has such a fear about speaking in public is because of the hearing impairment. And he's been hearing impaired since he was 27 years old. So this is not an old age thing. All right? We're going to get into the hearing impairment
Then
in
it's
another
like
video.
you want to be up there and make mistake and all that kind of stuff. But I mean, that's life. You make mistake and just move on, you know. But
What are your greatest strengths?
my greatest strength,
Or you could be more on one strength.
my greatest strength is being myself.
What is your greatest strength?
My greatest strength, that I don't scared of nothing.
I think your greatest strength is the fact that you know how to solve puzzles.
Well, yeah, that's true, but yeah.
Not puzzles like jigsaw puzzle, but like if this stool is kind of rickety and it's leaning to one side, I might just get a piece of cardboard and fold it and chuck it underneath it to make it level. But Joe will come and figure, okay, what got loose on this leg? Why is it doing this? Do I have to shorten this other leg?
Well,
You're really good at
You
figuring
got a
that
point
type of
because
stuff.
I would go out, I would see something for the first time, and if there's something wrong with it, and then I start to know how it works and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Then eventually I could get to the problem.
What would be your dream vehicle? Would it be something like a Lamborghini, a
Nah,
Ferrari?
nah.
What's your dream vehicle if you won $1 million?
Like a GMC Sierra truck with everything in the whistle, all the whistles and bells, whatever you call
It's
it.
bells and whistles,
whistle,
Joe.
whatever. Got everything in it.
Navigation,
You name it.
sunroof,
It gotta
heated
be
seating, massage.
like a nice blue, not those dark blue, how you call it, like
Not navy blue.
not navy blue. How would
Blue
I-
300?
Yeah, blue 300. That's maybe a blue like that. Yeah.
Go look on the CMY, whatever that chart is, to find out
Yeah.
what blue 300 is.
I don't want it to. I don't want the inside to be black. I mean, I don't like black inside vehicle. I don't like black vehicle. Because if I sit in that, you can't
You don't
see
like
me.
black people?
No, I'm black.
What did you say just
I
now?
don't like black vehicles.
If you could live anywhere, where would it be?
California.
You like it here?
I like it California.
You like it in the south part of California? Would you like to live in northern California?
No, not Northern California.
Too cold, true?
Too
cold
cold.
and rainy. If you were to win $1 million, what would you do with it?
I would, I think, finish pay off for my house. And like I said, buy me the truck that I want. And fix the house up and make sure everything is all right. Help the
Did you notice he didn't say pay off for the house and go buy a new house? Because if you win $1 million,
$1 million ain't nothing.
by the time they take the taxes, you're left with around $565,000. There's not enough to do anything, right?
I still owe the Lord $3 change on my house, so you know, and give the kids a little flip and put a little bit left in the bank.
That's all that's going to be left, right, babe?
Yeah, that's it.
So we asked you your fear, your weakness, your strength, the kind of car, what would you do with the money? How would you handle a tangled up Christmas tree lights? They say you can really tell a person's character the way they handle tangled up Christmas tree lights. Are you patient with it to where you're just gonna go ahead and untangle it, or you're just gonna like throw it in the trash and go buy a new set? I know what I would do. What would you do?
Me?
Why he always say me? Who else is here that I'm talking to?
I don't do nothing because I don't like to put up Christmas trees.
So needless to say, he would throw it in the trash and go buy a new set of lights. That's what I would do. At first, I would start to try to untangle it. But if I see that it's useless, I have no patience with that kind of foolishness. I would throw that in the trash and go buy a whole new set. I don't need the stress, right? We do things to not cause stress because stress causes sickness.
I'm not trying to be, how you call it? The brunch or whatever, but
The what?
what you call the thing for Christmas?
The Grinch?
Whatever you
The
call
Grinch.
What?
I said it wrong too. I don't think it's Grinch. Grinch.
The Grinch.
I said it wrong. We didn't grow up with no Grinch. The Grinch.
I worry about Christmas tree. I mean, Christmas come, I get my kids something. My wife is the one.
Why do you hate Christmas?
I don't hate Christmas either, but to me, I mean, just for the kids, but to me, Christmas tree.
Are you triggered because you didn't get good Christmases when you were little?
Not really. I guess.
What did you used to get for Christmas gift when you were little?
Me?
Why do you say me? I'm not talking to nobody else but you.
A pop shotgun.
Oh, those were nice though.
You know the little.
You put the ball of thing in there,
ball
right?
of- And then.
And the smell of the salt, is that
Yeah.
sulfur? That smell good, huh?
Sulfur.
Brings back memory. Did you used to get like marbles? Canicas, huh? Did you used to get marbles?
Used to play cowboy with that.
Cowboys and Indians on broomstick horses, huh? No, we can't say that no more. We can't say Indians, we have to say native. You insulted me, you insulted 15% of me. Native. Oh my God. Okay, so he doesn't hate Christmas. I'm messing with you, but he's not into putting up a Christmas tree and putting the lights and decorate. He's not into that part. But when the kids were little, you were.
Because of for the kids, but when they grow up, like when they're big now, they want Christmas tree. They put it up. I ain't going through that.
What's the best holiday you like now? Now, I say now that we live in America because Belize has different holidays. Like we have Baron Bliss Day, we have the 10th of September, we have Independence Day, they got Commonwealth Day, they got all kind of holiday in Belize. But here in America, which is your most favorite holiday?
4th of July.
You like the 4th of July? I like Thanksgiving. And
Yeah, Thanksgiving
I
is
like
good.
Thanksgiving because we didn't have that in Belize. And it's the first opportunity for us to eat turkey. We'd have to wait for Christmas to get a turkey, right? But at Thanksgiving, we can have that
Yeah,
turkey.
because back in our days, we never used to eat turkey.
At Christmas?
No, not really.
I remember getting turkey at Christmas.
Not me.
I remember getting turkey
I get
at
chicken.
Christmas.
I get the chicken foot.
God, I hate chicken foot. I used to tell them, I don't want the hand. Although my fingers look like a damn chicken foot.
You got the chicken foot in your hand like this, and you.
Go get that rooster. Go get that rooster. Did we finish up all the questions? I think we did, right? Favorite
Yeah.
truck. I don't think there's anything else to ask, right? Because the one where I ask you what makes you the most happy, I think we're gonna put that in from the other video, so you don't have to say that
You?
again. You didn't say me.
What I said.
Wait. Let me cut away to it. What makes you the most happy?
What make me most happy?
Uh-huh.
You and my kids.
Oh, I didn't expect that.
You and my kids.
Oh, thank you, boo. That makes me feel good. What makes you the most angry?
Here we go again.
Uh-huh.
Not have enough money to do what I want. That's right, guys. Lack of money make me angry.
We're gonna change that though, right?
Yeah, we're gonna change it.
So explain to the viewers why they saw two different footage with the same questions. What happened?
Because the first footage get messed up the first day. That's why you saw two footage. So we do it
I
together.
salvaged some of it.
Yeah. So sometimes I'm on one, I say the same thing. So. Yeah.
But sometimes you gave a different answer.
Right.
Yeah. So what are you doing right now?
Right now I'm making some waffles with my breakfast.
I made the batter.
I like it crispy, see? So let's see what we got. See how far
The one
this-
just went in.
It's coming, but I still want it crispy on that. I like it crispy.
Okay, so wrap up the show.
Huh?
Wrap up the show.
Folks, thank you guys for being here with me. Can you please subscribe, like, and share?
Don't look at me. Look at the lens.
Folks, thank you. Thank you for being here with me. And please subscribe, like, and share to everybody.
And leave a comment with new frequently asked questions.
And leave a comment with frequently asked question.
And you will do another video like this, right?
And we'll be back with you. Bye-bye, people.